Hi everyone, it's time for phonics again. Now, last lesson we were looking at verbs, and in particular past tense verbs. So if I was doing a verb in the present tense, it means I'm doing it right now. So I could say I'm jumping, I'm walking, I'm talking. But if it's in the past tense, it's already happened. So we said that yesterday I ran, or this morning I talked. They would all be in the past tense, and a lot of them ended in ed. And we looked at one of the rules, so if it ended in a consonant and there was a vowel before that final consonant, then we had to double the consonant, didn't we? So like pat went to patted. Now, we've got another rule today that we're going to have a look at. So I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see it. Okay, one moment. So we're looking at that pesky Y again, because a lot of the time, if a word ends in a Y, then we have to do something with it. But there's two different ways we could end a verb if it ends in a Y, okay? So if there's a vowel before the Y at the end, all we need to do is add an ED. Now remember, a vowel is an A, E, I, O, or U. So with this one, if I look at my vowel, my Y. Before it, I've got a vowel, which is the A. So all I need to do to that one is add an ED ending. So now I've got aid, paid. But if there's a consonant before the Y, then this time we need to drop the Y and add an IED ending to it. So the root word for this one would have been worry, with a Y at the end of it. But because before that I've got a consonant, which would be the R, so a consonant is any letter which isn't A, E, I, O, U, then all I need to do is this time add an IED, and that makes it id sound, so worried, and I've got two sounds there. And I've got a couple of examples just here. So the root word that I've got, which I haven't changed, is play. And when I look at it, it's a bit like pay. I can see that before my Y, before my consonant, I've got a vowel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add an ED ending. So now I've got aid, played, okay? However, this time I've got carry, so C-A-R-E, carry. And I can see that I've got my Y, but before my Y, I've got an R. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to have to drop the Y, get rid of it, and in its place, I'm going to add IED. So now I've got C-A-R-E-D, carried. And it's the same for try as well, so it's I try. Because I've got an R before my Y, which is a consonant, I'm going to drop my Y and add an IED. So now I've got I'd tried, okay? So I've got another activity for you to have a go at on the computer, on the internet. So good luck with that, and let us know how you get on. See you later.